everyone, welcome back to the Impactful UX Solutions channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a powerful tool that can transform your design workflow. And trust me, your design process will never be the same. There is a simple yet very strong reason why. Please don't share it with anyone, okay? Promise. As designers, we are always on the lookout for tools that can simplify our process and enhance our creativity. With the rise of AI, many of us have turned to these technologies for assistance, right? But let's face it, most current AI tools just don't cut it when it comes to visual design. Here's why. The typical workflow for generating UI designs with AI involves inputting text descriptions and hoping for the best. Write your vision, submit it to the AI, and what you get? Often a design that doesn't quite align with what you had in mind. This happens because AI struggles to fully grasp human intent and nuance, and it lacks the contextual understanding needed to create designs that resonate with the users. And instead of enhancing our creativity, these tools can leave us with the frustrating discrepancies, don't truly capture the vision. But what if there was a tool that not only understands these challenges but also integrates seamlessly into a design process? And that's where UX Pilot comes in, designed specifically to empower designers throughout the entire product development journey, from ideation to wireframing and beyond. And it's built on the principle that great design is rooted in understanding both user needs and the logical framework behind UX. So UX Pilot allows you to create a wide range of designs, including wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, and even predictive heat maps for both mobile and desktop platforms. And it assists with various aspects of UX UI design, from initial concept to detailed prototypes. It's truly insane, you guys. Also, when you access UX Pilot in your web browser, you can start by inputting your ideas directly into the platform. It's great that it combines user feedback and data analytics to inform your design choices, ensuring that what you create is not only visually appealing but also user-centered. And if you prefer working within your design software like Figma, UX Pilot integrates seamlessly as a plugin. This allows you to tap into its powerful features without interrupting your creative flow, which is, of course, all about convenience and efficiency. I want to quickly show you how UX Pilot makes a tangible difference in your workflow. From ideation to wireframing, UX Pilot supports you at every stage, making it easier to create user-centered designs. And one of the standout features is the ability to generate heat maps. This provides visual insights into how users interact with your design, showing you where they click, scroll, and spend time. This data is absolutely invaluable for refining your designs and actually ensuring that they meet user needs efficiently. Also, it's worth to mention that the UX Pilot offers a range of plans tailored to different needs and team sizes, and it's more than reasonable, I must say. And plus, you can even test UX Pilot for free to see how it fits into your workflow before actually committing to anything. Ultimately, UX Pilot is not just another AI tool, it's a partner in your design journey, and I definitely encourage you to check it out. I know you will fall in love at first sight, just like I did. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'm really looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye!